Big up all of my fans, subscribers and viewers. Lion Foot a burn bad mind evil to us. To everyone I hope all is well. Please like, subscribe and click the bell. If you have already, thank you. If you haven't yet, please do. Sit back and enjoy this review. A Lion Foot, you know. I put my trust in you, girl, and you let me down. You're so disgusting, girl. You try to play me like a sound. And you're strong, strong too. Wagwan Lion Foot. Wagwan, me there to you when you're dead, David. But you sound so happy and merry. But there, Lion Foot, man, you don't know things are too great, but you can't sad all the while. If you don't give thanks to life and smile, you'll see it. True. I wish I was like you. Right now, me there, raw. How I go on now? Boy, DJ come like me salt to blood clot. John Broski, what happened to you? Everything good? Boy, DJ, me know me can talk still, you know, man. I show you what I go on, you know, but nobody gonna laba your mouth like laba, you know. Yeah, you know you can talk to me, Lion Foot, man. Confide, you know. And the German, man. Hey, what happened? Fall out? Boy, I better for that, didn't start. The ringer, she not pick up her phone. Yeah, she not answer. Me I tell her, man, she send a text. Yeah, what she say? Tell me about to stop ringing her. She dem amongst her family, them, and she only come to Jamaica to have fun. Come like she have a man and her husband, man. DJ, you say them things, them, man. You make me arching on my belly button, rumble look a while, you know. Well, Lion Foot me done tell her, you know, say her fall in love so quick, you know, stand up, you know. Well, DJ, easier said than done, you know. Anyway, I saw them girls stay a foreign, man. When them fly come my yard, you know, them just come for have fun, you see me? So DJ, imagine me your friend and you tell me them things. Free Lion Foot, man. I tell you, man. I couldn't put me on my yard, Rasta. Lion Foot. Let me tell you something, man. Some girls come my yard for have fun. If find a man for beat up them drum. Me I talk girls were whole long way young. Some girls come my yard for have fun. If find a good man for settle down and bring coach and daughter. Me don't want you blood clot singing in my ears. Lion Foot, I can't go on, sir. Me I talk about serious business and you come blood clot sing. You think a sting you there at Sunfest? You talk about serious matter you come sing. Everything you make up song and sing about. Listen to me, man. I'm going to take out your blood clot problem for me, man. Just to make you know the reasoning about the girls about them stay. You see me? Some come for have good time and just get a one slam and go back home. Some come for find a good man, but unfortunately you find the wrong one, you know? Me done did one you say the quick to start falling in love. Yo DJ, sorry so me snap at you look a while, you know. Sorry you're a Rasta. Never mean for shout at you like that, you see me? Think good, man. But DJ, me go all asleep, you know, because right now my head hot, me you know start. But you feel like DJ, me should have gone ring her? Yeah, she said you have to link her, man. She don't make you know straight, you know, you see me, so. If you just go and hold it Lion Foot, man, I saw it go, man. One girl gone, another one forward, you know. As me tell you, you know. Don't quick for fall in love. Stand up, take time to know the person. See? Yeah, hear me DJ, look more and big up yourself and everything good though. Them days I come off of football, man, I'm tired and blow out, you know. Go in and now go all wash off and relax, all a meditation. Alright, that's your word, man. We link up, look more, yeah? Alright, that's your word, my brother, man. Big up yourself. You like the man them for me, you know. You don't know, you see me? Blood clot, boy. Well, Lion Foot. Yeah, use your blood clot.